A Boeing 737 plane aborted takeoff in Israel today after 9 people on board used the iPhone AirDrop function to send photos of aviation disasters to passengers' phones. The AndoluJet flight had been due to take off for Istanbul at Tel Aviv's Gurion airport when the incident happened. Ofer Lefler, a spokesman for the Israel Airports Authority, said it was not a cyber attack over the internet. According to the Hebrew Ynet news site, the pictures included a Turkish Airlines plane which crashed in the Netherlands in 2009 and another in the US in 2013. The 9 suspects, described by police as Israeli citizens and among the passengers, were removed and could be prosecuted for disseminating false information, the authority said. The offense carries a maximum 3-year prison term in Israel. I am sure the police and the security authorities will find out why the suspects, did it, Lefler told Channel 12 TV. Passengers alarmed by the images informed the flight crew, and the pilot made the right call in heading back to the gate, Lefler said. One woman fainted, another had a panic attack, a passenger, identified only as Diana, told Channel 12. The plane took off hours late after a security check of the plane, luggage and those on board, Lefler said. AirDrop, which Lefler said was the method used for the file transfer, allows an iPhone user to send out images to other devices in the vicinity.